Are you looking to move to Maine? Maybe have a little place of your own? Maybe it has a roof deck where you could enjoy your cup of coffee or a kettlebell exercise. Well, I've got a place for you, and it's right here in Portland, Maine. Do we get it?
Yeah, we got it.
So cold. Woo! All right, welcome to 118 Winter Street, Unit 3. We are on the top floor of this building. There are only 2 other units on the top floor, and they both share access to that roof we were just on. So if you wanna go up there to work out, do your work, have a cocktail or a cup of coffee in the summer, that is a great place to hang out. Now, this unit is 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, in-unit laundry, 983 square feet. So we are less than $360 a square foot. And we're right in the historic West End. You walk out your door to Rosemont, LFK, Miyake, you have everything right here within walking distance. If you wanna come check out this condo, get here quick. This one is not to be missed. Thanks for watching.